Hello there. Welcome to the first look at the 2022 Thor Four Winds 31 EV. This Class C motorhome sleeps 7, seats 6, and comes in at a length of 32 foot 7 inches. Sitting on a Ford E450 Super Duty chassis, the 31 EV is also capable of towing 8,000 pounds. Housing a huge basement, perfect for all your camping needs. Also equipped, a large 15-foot power awning, perfect for blocking out the sun on those hot days. Stepping into the motorhome, you'll notice a beautiful tan interior. Towards the front cap, you'll notice a large bunk, as well as a swivel-mounted 35-inch flat-screen TV. Behind the cap, you'll notice a large dinette with some storage below, and across from that, a sofa that also turns into a nice little sleeping area for you. Coming into the kitchen, you'll notice a large 3-burner cooktop with an oven below. Also housing some storage below that, perfect for all your pots and pans, with a large stainless steel sink and also a residential style sprayer faucet. Across from the sink, you got a nice big 10 cubic foot refrigerator with the freezer as well. And next to that, plenty of pantry storage for you. As we make our way towards the back, we've got 2 big bunks here with your USB ports and your tablet holders. Can't forget all the storage down below as well. Entering the bathroom, you'll notice a porcelain foot flush toilet. And across from that, a large stand-up shower with the skylight above. There's also a mirrored vanity with storage above and below. Entering into the bedroom, you'll notice a large residential queen-size bed with storage above and to the left and right, perfect for a CPAP or even some tablets or phones. On the other side of the bedroom, there's plenty of wardrobe space. Thanks for taking a first look at the 2022 Thor 31 EV. For more information, visit our website at generalrv.com or stop into one of our 14 stores.